Alright, you guys, we're in Hobby Lobby. Took a minute to come in, take a break. We had rain the other day, so now it's like humid, really terrible. So I'm just like taking a break. Hope we get more rain though. These are pretty.
Lightning was shaking the house last night. Thunder was.
I did hear it, and I did sleep through it.
Like a bear.
Look how pretty these are. I never really walked down the flower department. And we have some fall ones. I did do a video on fall, so I'll probably just post that. Don't these look like nerds? The nerd rope?
Yeah, they look like nerd ropes. It's funny.
I'm not too sure how much that is. Oh, that blue. I like that pop of blue. Pan out. Their music is, oh, well, look at that deep purple. That's actually really pretty. Hobby Lobby. Their prices, like, I wish they would put them like right here or something. I mean, you have to, they're $10.99. You have to pull these bad boys out. I like the blue. It's really pretty, actually. I just saw a video, $28 for that. I just saw a video about somebody about Hobby Lobby. I think they worked there and they were stalking, and they found a couple of these vases. And I know a lot of these are mass produced. Okay, they're not like individual people. They're mass produced. It was like one of these black vases, and they said it had like a little hand. It had a hand. I think it was just maybe a petite person. I'm like, well, if it was mass produced, dipping and handling it, maybe they still had like that white residue on their hand. But yeah, it was funny. I think they were trying to say child labor, but I think it was like, I don't know. Who knows now? I have honestly no clue. But 5. Oops. But these are not like real potteries. These are mass produced. I do like some of them though. I like the authentic clay ones though that you can find, and you can find those in Home Goods too. Okay, let's look down here. Ooh, I did go by Joann's. Look at that bride crew. I did go by Joann's, and mine was closed, but I think the one in Desert Ridge area might be open. So it's like, okay, let's see what's left over, And no, it's closed. Look at this neon sign, you and me. This is like the wedding area.
Testing button on it.
I was about to turn it on, but I didn't see a thing. Welcome to our special day.
Oh, I think it just plugged in.
Welcome. We are so happy you are here. Leave me some money envelopes. There's like some backdrops. I didn't even know they had those. Those are 15. Party animal. What is this? Like a pull-out standing thing. Oh yeah. Oh, here's like the bubbles. These are $29.99. I think these are $30. We know you be here today. We know if heaven wasn't so far away. So these are fillers, okay. So to put in here, like put your name on here if you're a guest, and then put it in the frame. A guest thing.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
He doesn't know.
I didn't know if you were talking to me. Sometimes you're talking to them. I'm like, oh, okay.
So bunch them all together, and here's like the lace. There's a couple lace fabrics, $5. Some are $5.99.
Usually they stick it in that foam stuff, the green foam.
We haven't been down here. You like, here's this one. You can make your own.
This looks like you could dye Easter eggs with it.
Meh.
Stick an egg in there and shake it in there. I'm gonna sell it as an Easter egg dyer, and I'll make more with it.
$5 here. $7.
Frame, line 1. Frame, line 1.
I was too slow. Were we too slow for her?
Just turn the corner right behind, just excuse me. I'm like, that's so.
We were just walking
I'm
casually.
just nosying on
Yeah.
over.
Alright, what else is here? Look at all these right here. The lizard one's kind of cool. These are about like $5. Elephant,
Oh, it looks like a
dragonfly.
door knocker.
Yeah, it does. Well, it's the handle.
That's cool.
Oh, look at that. Dinosaur.
Should we redo our dresser?
No. I'm trying to get rid of that dresser. I don't want to redo it. I don't want to refurbish it. I want it gone.
It's real wood.
I know it is, but I don't want it anymore. They're 50% off. I feel like there's people who collect knobs. There's people who collect knobs. Who collect the knobs? Tabitha?
It was Aunt Agatha.
Okay.
Bewitched. Yeah.
From
She collected doorknobs and dresser knobs. And then she just worked that into her character that she collected them too.
Okay, so I know Michael's has fabric. I haven't been in Michael. Actually, I was in my Michael's. I didn't see fabric. Did you see fabric at Michael's, babe?
No.
Because they're like, we have fabric, or read the balloons now.
I was looking. I didn't see.
Yeah, it's all the crochet stuff.
They put their sign up before they got it.
Honestly, Michael's is kind of boring. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I've been to 2 different Michael's in each location, and the one that used to be really good is the one by kind of like Guitar Center in Phoenix. That used to be like really good Michael's.
I feel like
Look at this cow print.
January through June, July are like the boring months, and then we get Halloween.
Yeah. Frames. You know what? Let's look at the lighting here. We never get to look at lighting. We go into the places we normally don't. All lamps are 50% off. Dome with a bow is $27, I believe. $29.99. I have quite a collection of lamps. Yeah, the strawberry and lemon one. Those are kind of cute. How much are they? They're $15.99. Then take 50% off. The disco one.
Code 7 to the office. Code 7 to the office. Thank you.
These are cool too.
But,
Those are
bring
14.
my pizza.
Bring my pizza. That's 50 in front of me.
Oh, that was perfect.
Oh, it is. It's a shame. Don't touch it. $29.99. $15.99. Love, peace, rainbow, good vibes only. Love. Always and forever better together. Oh, look at the horse couple.
Custom framing.
Like $8. The jewelry in Joann's, when they first announced they were closing, that one went by like nothing. I was like, dude, you guys should have waited. But I feel like jewelry might be hard because then you're gonna be like, you wait and then someone else is gonna buy them, you know?
You want this pink hat? I like this hat. You gonna wear it the whole time? Yeah. What about this? You don't want this? No.
That's kind of cute. I like this.
You want a baseball cap at all? What are you playing hot Cheetos? For who?
Preppy.
Oh yeah, I like those too. I just realized
They're
that
50% off.
they got me like this.
Trying to make some jewelry.
Exchange it for a different size. Grab it for size.
Mermaid. Look at the lip one. They're gonna go look at the happy face and the notes. They got the gummy bears, safety pin. Wow, look at that. The phoenix.
Jared brought my monkey and I told him
Funny.
to give me.
They're $6.50. Look at that one. And the cactus. I've never looked at this stuff. Howdy. You know what? I want to find the string to make like bracelets, like friendship. Because you know how we're talking about ankle bracelets?
Yeah.
And I was like, you know, I used to be able to do like the friendship kind. She could make all types for her ankles.
How about if you learn how to do it again, you go really good.
I have to, YouTube a video.
Hey, that's what I do for a lot of stuff.
I know.
That's like the only thing I use YouTube for is instructional crap.
Or you can make your own little cross blend. Because I know these are like popular amongst the teens now. It's kind of funny. Because every time I go to TJ Maxx now, there's all these boys, like young boys, looking at all the big crosses and stuff in the jewelry case. Because they're like $20 over there, you know?
Oh, this is cool.
That is so different. Is that the beetle thing?
Like
what
a
is it
scarab,
called?
yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna see what it is. Oh, it's got jewels on it. Here it is. That is neat.
Oh, we got the
Did I
airplane.
move it before you did?
No, I got it. Look at these like doll, the stuff for your dollhouse, like little light stuff. Look at that's so funny.
Code 7 to register 8, please. Code 7 to register 8.
Well, these aren't very good dolls.
Well, I mean, these
They
are
don't
for
move.
these antique. These are just for like I think looks though.
This is more like a Lemax, just bigger.
Yeah, because here's all the doll stuff or those houses we see all the time, and then they have the rainbow balloons. Whose kid in the comment section? Would you guys do that, or are you guys over that?
No, we just bought it. No way ever made anything.
No, it was a lot of frustration. I'm like, are you gonna learn or not? You know what I mean? It was like one of those things. Eggs, piggy banks, and they have like the chalkboards too for you. Plenty of options to choose from. Oh wow. I smell the pumpkin and cinnamon, mainly cinnamon. We got the birthday stuff. I didn't really know they had birthday stuff here. But yeah, this stuff we did film before. And of course we got summer and spring. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna end the video. I'm heading to the front. It's just kind of like browsing here. Nothing too new. Not even a peep of Christmas. You know, I just thought of that in this location. Okay, I see one wreath. Wow.
Then usually up above it is a funny ornament.
No, I don't see that. I just see the wreath over there, so they're just gonna like,
It's hanging out everywhere.
yeah, they're gonna move stuff around. It's their little code, like, move everything over. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next video.
I found
Ball.
Yeah. I thought it was ornaments was pumpkins. Oh, the Christmas balls are way down there on top.
Oh, on top by the fabric, okay. We were just watching Godzilla versus Mothra, right?
Yeah, I can't
We can never get through it. We can never get through that one.
Little elf things.
Yeah, the twin fairy girls or whatever. I can never get through it. But I finally did watch Godzilla -1.
Yeah, that's a good one. I like
That's
that.
a good one. And you have to watch it in the original language because when you try to get it like dubbed, I feel like
There's no emotion.
there's no emotion. Why did they do that on voice actors?
They're like really flat readers.
They're just reading it, and I'm all like, this is boring, you know? So I just think it's kind of odd when they say, oh, we have this person dubbing, then I'm like, they suck.
Yeah.